How to use ESN card for Ryanair discount on your device on Ryanair website or on official ESN card website. For this, I will take you to the help center of ESN card and show you that how you can do it. So you must be holder of activated ESN card, and once you received your ESN card, make sure to follow these steps. First is register at esncard.organization, as the data will be used to validate your ESN card during your flight booking process. Please remember to fill all in the blanks in the user profile, also your ESN card number. Second is go to My Ryanair account and sign up. Log in if you already have an account there. If you have not, just log into account. Add your details in the Eramus tab of the Ryanair dashboard and wait until your ESN card and other details are validated. So what is this? This is typically not the live validation, so it might take a few days. After that, after validating the card, you can simply book, click on Eramus, and you can get your ticket with discount. This is the video.